Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Misbah Arif Sahadan from Semarang State University. I will present my article under the title Comparison the effectiveness of the fumigant sulforyl chloride and phosphine in controlling warehouse pest insect. During the storage of commodities can be attacked by warehouse pests. Insects generally damage stored product by eating them directly. Thus, it causes contamination and economic loss by reducing the quality and quantity of commodities in storage. Economic loss due to the ones of warehouse pest insect are estimated to reach millions of dollars each. In developed countries, its economic loss due to warehouse pest insect make up 9% of the total product stored. And in developing countries, its economic loss amount to more than 20% of total stored product. Effort made to control pests in commodities should utilize a combination of effective economical technique and suppress product contamination. Control is often used, namely fumigation, using sulforyl chloride and phosphine. Thus, research is needed to compare the effectiveness of sulforyl chloride and phosphine fumigant in the real condition. In this survey, always use WIRPAC. The survey aims to determine and ascertain which location to use for fumigation, has sufficient ventilation, the floor is gastic and clean, should also be free of crowd or work activities. Test sampling is carried out before the fumigation process takes place. All living insects cooked in piles of commodities to be fumigated are counted in number and grouped by type to be used as test insect sample. The fumigation carried out in this study is part of routine measure of pest insect control in the warehouse of animal feed storage industry. Animal feed commodities to be fumigated are stacked in such a way that proper gas distribution is obtained. The exposure period lasts 24 hours for sulforyl chloride and 72 hours for phosphine. The amount of fumigation used is calculated based on dosage and amount of commodities to be fumigated, taking into account various fumigation conditions, such as estimate leak rate, duration of exposure, temperature, and target pest. After fumigation, observation of the mortality of test insect is carried out. After that, it is inserted into a plastic ziplock and marked with GPS to know the height and coordinate of the location. Then the identification of each type is carried out. One-way ANOVA analysis and 2K tests are involved to analyze the data. ANOVA one-way test result show a variation in the treatment of warehouse pest insect mortality value with a p-value smaller than 0.05. The highest mortality rate in fumigation treatment was sulforyl chloride, with an average mortality rate of 96%, with an exposure time 24 hours. Meanwhile, fumigation with phosphine 72 of exposure to achieve an average mortality value of 87%. Type of warehouse pest insect that attack stored commodities from 32 test points by using sulforyl chloride and phosphine fumigants in the animal feed industry warehouse in Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia. The type of insect found are Albitobius diaprinus and Tribolium castanum. Based on this study, the frequency of Tribolium castanum attack reached 72% of all test points. Results show fumigation using sulforyl chloride with an exposure time of 24 hours lead to the highest average mortality rate of warehouse pest insect. Fumigation using sulfuryl fluoride is easy to apply, more effective, and exposure time is faster compared to phosphine. Therefore, sulfuryl fluoride should be considered as a fumigant for controlling warehouse pest insect. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.